Is your Sony Google TV lagging, crashing, or stuck on a loading screen? Don't worry, we are going to wipe the slate clean and get it running like new right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. A factory reset is usually needed when the internal storage gets clogged, or a system update didn't install correctly. Let's dive into 10 advanced ways to reset and optimize your Sony Google TV hardware. Step 1. The soft restart. Hold the power button on your remote for 5 seconds until a Albeed restart menu appears on the screen. This clears the RAM without deleting your apps. Step 2. The classic menu reset. Press the gear icon on your remote, navigate to System, then About, then Reset, and select Factory Data Reset. Step 3. The Erase Everything confirmation. When the TV asks to confirm the reset, select Have to Erase Everything to ensure all hidden partitions and system caches are fully cleared. Step 4. The forced hardware reset for one-button TVs. Unplug the TV from the wall. Hold the power button on the TV frame while plugging the cord back in. Release it only when you see a white LED light. Step 5. The 3-button forced reset. If your TV has 3 buttons, hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously while plugging the unit back in. Wait for the Sony logo or a green LED light to appear before letting go. Step 6. Reset without a remote using the cold boot method. Unplug the TV and leave it disconnected for a full 2 minutes. Hold the physical power button on the TV for 30 seconds to drain the capacitors, then plug it back in. Step 7. The USB firmware recovery. If your TV is stuck in a boot loop, download the latest firmware from the Sony support site onto a FAT32 drive. Plug it into the TV, and it will often auto-repair the OS during startup. Step 8. Clear the system app data. If you don't want a full reset, go to Apps, then See All Apps, and find Google TV. Clear the data and cache here to fix home screen lag instantly. Step 9. Reset the 2.4 GHz connection. Go to Network Settings and forget your Wi-Fi network. Restart your router and then reconnect. This resets the hardware handshake for the internet. Step 10. The Pro Hardware Reset. For persistent issues, perform a forced hardware reset as mentioned in Step 5, then immediately follow it with a menu-based factory reset once the TV boots. This double resetum ensures no corrupted data survives. Here's a bonus tip for you. Before you reset, make sure to sync your Google account in the settings. This ensures that all your app login data and watch history will automatically return once you sign back in. If you face any difficulty with these steps, drop a comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. If this fixed your TV, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. You are all set, and your Sony Google TV is ready for action.